Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start immediately. Fast travel to the marked zone and approach quietly. This reduces aggro so the Sundelion remains passive. Make sure you have stealth-boosting clothing and 3 shock or sleep arrows ready. These let you disable movement briefly. Once at the site, watch patrol patterns for 1 full cycle, then position downwind and out of sight. You want to bait the creature toward a clearing. Don't rush. Observe until it wanders into an immobilization setup you control. Now you execute the capture sequence. Fire a sleep arrow to create an opening, then lay a trap in the clearing. Once the Sundelion trips the trap, immediately use a net or tranquilizer to secure it. You do this because combined disables prevent escape and reduce damage risk. Also swap to Frost gear before the second engagement. Frost increases stagger by roughly 20% and helps chain immobilizations. If the main glows, prioritize caution. Rare variants panic more, so pace your inputs and avoid heavy noise. You close the deal by approaching slowly and using the Mount Whisper, or offering the specific feeding item to finalize taming. Maintain a calm posture and minimal inputs so the animation completes. If the Sundelion flees, back off and wait 1 in-game day to allow a respawn. Do not camp directly on the spawn point. If you run into repeated despawns, make sure you cleared nearby elite enemies and open the correct regional shrine. Clearing both often fixes spawn logic and prevents premature disappearance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.